Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is blessed. So today I'll be making some fry bake and saltfish. So here I have 4 cups of flour, and to that I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2.5 cups of warm water. After adding your ingredients, mix flour until dough is soft and sticky but not runny, and set aside and rest for 30 minutes. In the meantime, while my flour is resting, I will be going to prepare my saltfish. So my saltfish, or codfish as how some people may call it, was soaking overnight. I normally boil it twice, so on the first boil, I'm going to be prepping my vegetables. So my choice of vegetables today are half red bell pepper. You can add different colors of your choice. 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 green onions, and 2 tomatoes. Chop into fine pieces. Once finished prepping my vegetables, I went ahead and changed my water from the second boil of my codfish. So here, make sure you wash your saltfish on the cold water, let it cool down before deboning it. Wash your saltfish really well to remove all extra salt. Make sure you remove as much bone as possible during that process. Once finished, set your codfish aside, knead flour and roll out into small balls and set aside for another 15 minutes. Once the dough is being rested for the second time, I'm going to be adding my ingredients to the pot with 2 tablespoons of oil to fry the codfish. Once you finish adding your vegetables, let it simmer in the pot for about 2 minutes before adding your codfish. Once it is sauteed, add your saltfish and ketchup, black pepper, parsley, oregano, and cook for 2 minutes before removing from pot. You can add your tomatoes at the end and mix well. And this is the finished sauteed codfish or saltfish, which I have been saying all throughout the video. Once that is done, preheat your pan with 1 cup of oil and begin to fry your bakes. You can roll your dough out with a rolling pin, but here I'm using my hands. You can do whatever is easier for you. Fry your bake on each side for 2 minutes until golden brown. Once your bake is done, remove, place on some paper towel in a bowl to remove any extra grease. And here you have it. This is what the Lord has blessed my hands with today, bake and codfish. Hope you enjoy it. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell for when I post my next video. And remember, God loves you, and so do I.